We're Toyota Material Handling, Northern California. We are headquartered here in Livermore, and we are the dock-to-dock material handling provider for most of Northern and Central California. So when we teed up this whole project, we wanted to look at our most public areas, where the customers and prospects are going to see us most. So we focused on our training room, our demo area, our parts and service department. So when you walk in our counter, the first thing you see is that branding right in front of you. And then there's our overall TMHNC branding, where we brought our logo into some of the more blank walls to help bring the branding to life. Most importantly, we got our mission and value kind of scattered about so everybody sees the messaging in some of our high traffic areas. Bringing customers here, doing the amount of tours we do here, I'm excited to be able to sit around a timeline. It's a way for us to honor our dad, who is the founder of the business and brought us to this point. And we can talk about the fact that he's a Vietnam veteran, that he got into this business in 1969. And so when you have Toyota's brand presence mixed with a family strength and culture, I just feel like there's no stopping what we can do.